Hey friends, if you encounter Windows image acquisition, high CPU and disk usage on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to restart the Windows image acquisition service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to Windows image acquisition. Right click on it and then select start or restart if needed. The second one is to run the SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator and then type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Wait, I'll fix this. Okay. The next solution is to reinstall the drivers. So I'll give you the best option to do that. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, click on optional updates. You'll find driver updates here. If you do, check them and click on download and install. The last solution is to update the graphics card drivers. And how would you update the graphics card drivers? So it's not difficult. All you need to do is search for device manager, open device manager, and then expand the list for display adapters. Right click on this one, update, and right click on this one and update as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.